Hi friends, good morning. Welcome back to MS Tips and Tutorials. So today we'll be learning how to remove extra spaces from a string of text in MS Excel. So usually when we type in some text into MS Excel, we can see that by mistake there might be some extra spaces between the words. So in order to eliminate that extra spaces between the words, we need to use a particular function, and the function name is called trim function. Trim function. Using this function, we'll be trimming out the extra spaces between the characters in a sentence. Okay, between the words in a sentence. Sorry. Yeah. I will show you how we can apply the trim function to remove the extra spaces in a sentence. So here, actually, I'm going to type something. Okay, this is a great day. Okay, so this is our sentence. Great so far. Okay, this is a great day so far. So this is our sentence. So I'm going to add some extra spaces between the words. It might happen by mistake. Okay, but yeah. So actually we are having some extra spaces, like after this is we have some extra spaces, after great we have some extra spaces, after day we have some extra spaces. So we are using the trim function, trim. So this is the function. We are using the trim function to eliminate the extra spaces and recreate that sentence in another cell. So we want to remove the extra spaces and uh, produce the sentence in this cell. Okay, in G8. So here we need to apply the function. So the syntax of the function is, first you have to write the equal sign, then write the function, then the opening bracket, then you need to select which cell you need to get trimmed, which cell you want to trim. So I am going to trim this cell G6. So click on that cell, or you can directly type G6. I'm going to click on that cell. Yeah, G6. And now put the closing bracket and click on the enter button on your keyboard. Click on the enter button. Yeah, that's it. It's gone. So we have removed all the extra spaces and the sentence is in a perfect mode now. So once more I am repeating it. Click anywhere on the cell you want to have the trim the data. So, type equal sign, type trim, opening bracket. Here I am going to type it manually. Okay, G6, or you can either select the cell or type it manually. I am going to type it manually this time. G6. Yeah, and closing bracket. Click on the enter button. Yeah, that's it. So that is from my side for today. If this video has been useful for you, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed this channel yet, you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button, and also click on the bell icon and enable it, so that whenever I upload new videos on this channel, you will get notifications in your YouTube account. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye bye. Stay safe. Bye.